Hey parents, my name is Catherine Vargas and I'm the parent of two boys who love to get books from Scholastic Book Clubs. When my kids bring home a Scholastic Book Clubs flyer, we love looking through it and picking out books together. And today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to submit your child's book order every month online, anywhere, on any device, even on the go. Let's take a look at how to do it on a mobile phone. When you're ready, sign in at scholastic.com/bookclubs. If this is your first time, start by connecting to your child's teacher so that your books will be delivered to the right classroom. Click the orange Get Started button, and if you have the teacher's class code, enter it here and submit. Otherwise, you can find your child's teacher with some basic info and a few quick clicks. Now on the home page, scroll down to enter the item number. Type it in and add to cart. You can check out, or if you have more books to order, continue shopping. Just type in the item number and add, then go to checkout. Review your cart. Looking good. If you have a coupon code, enter it here. Then click Proceed to Checkout. Confirm your shipping address to make sure your order is going to your child's teacher's classroom. Check your order total, select your payment method. If you need to, enter your credit card info. Save it for future use, and continue checkout. Review one last time, and if everything looks okay, submit order. Your child's book order will be delivered to the teacher's classroom along with the class order. That's it. Easy, right? Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the other videos on getting the most out of Scholastic Book Clubs.